Good morning. Just a quick review on this motorcycle, Griffin 180cc. This review, by the way, is mainly Bisaya, Gamay English. I'm not sure if I can do it in Tagalog. Maybe, I'll try. But again, going back, this is Griffin 180cc Euro motor. I think this is a Taiwanese brand assembled in Philippines. So, I'll be focusing more on the performance since the specs can easily be found online. So, talking about the motorcycle's performance, let me talk about the handling. Let's say handling sa traffic, very convenient, very comfortable, very nimble, very agile. So nindo siya dalon sa traffic, walay ngalay. So yeah, and handling sa high speed, if we talk about high speed, ranging from 100 pataas, if this motorcycle is running at 100 kph above, it's the engine is still running very smooth. Engine sound, walay garalgal, walay lagitik sound, very smooth, very fine kayo ang engine sound niya. And acceleration, this bike can accelerate fast from 0 to 100. So nindot siya dalon, bisag nay angkas, very responsive yung throttle. So what else? Suspension, dili siya nindot. So pero kung flat terrain lang, okay ra gid siya. However, when there's uneven nga surface, tagtag siya. And what you can do is kanang minimize lang the tire pressure, and then but if na money, better purchase a new suspension labi na sa rear. The front suspension you can just repack, and yeah, it will have a totally different performance. Mas nindot gid siya. Now, if we talk about performance when it comes to kanang cornering, high speed cornering, like banking, this bike is very comfortable, very convenient i-handle sa cornering. I don't really feel anything dili balanse sa mag cornering ka. But the tires though, I don't trust the tires when you are doing aggressive driving sa corners. So I strongly suggest and recommend to change to higher quality nga ligid. What else? Top speed niya. By the way, so regarding sa panel niya, ang iyang reading sa panel, sa stock nga panel is very advanced. So that's why I attached a GPS device para mo measure niya ang iyang dagan, ang iyang speed through GPS nga reading. And going back sa top speed, the top speed sa ako ang timbang, I am 82 kilos. I can reach a top speed of 120 kph, and that is the GPS reading. So yeah, very decent, nindot kay siya nga motor, very bang for the buck. Sulit na kay siya pagkapalita, given nga ang itsura niya for me is very nice, very aggressive. So yeah, I think that's all I can say regarding the bike's performance. Fuel consumption, by the way, is not very economical. Dili siya nga nakatipid, so dili siya economical choice. So if you're looking for a bike that is kanang minus og konsumo sa gas, I would suggest to purchase Honda Beat or Click 125 instead. But this one, dili siya practical when it comes to gasoline consumption. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it. And I hope nakatabang ni siya nga review. Dili ko expert, dili sa vlogger. This just I made this video for people or for riders na interesado to to know more about the bike's performance. Specs are easily found online. So, yeah. Salamat for watching. Bye-bye.